student ID 2241110 from management class 22B. Here I will explain the material on the basic concept of organizational behavior, which includes the definition, scope, influencing factor, dimension, objectives, variable, and the importance of understanding organizational behavior to improve performance and work effectiveness within a company. Next, understanding the basic concept of organizational behavior. Definition of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is the study that focuses on how individual and group behave within the work environment to achieve organizational goals. This spread combines various disciplines such as psychology, sociology, and anthropology to understand how employees' attitudes, emotion, and motivation can influence organizational performance. A solid understanding of organizational behavior helps management create effective strategy to enhance productivity and job satisfaction. Next, scope of organizational behavior. The scope of organizational behavior includes three levels of analysis: individual, group, and organizational system. At the individual level, the focus is on personality, perception, and work attitudes. At the group level, it involves team dynamics, communication, and leadership. Meanwhile, at the organizational system level, attention is given to organizational structure, company culture, and decision-making process that affect overall performance. Next, factor influencing organizational behavior. Factor influencing organizational behavior are divided into internal and external factor. Internal factor included individual characteristics such as health, motivation, and work efficiency. External factor encompass the work environment, organizational culture, leadership style, and reward system. The combination of these factors sets behavioral features that contribute to organizational effectiveness. Next, dimension of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior consists of three main dimensions. 1. Conceptual dimension, involving the understanding of culture, anthropology, and social elements that influence human behavior. 2. System dimension will include management process and mathematical approaches to improve efficiency and effectiveness. 3. Human dimension, which focuses on individual psychology including emotion, motivation, and perfection and affect performance. Next, objectives of studying organizational behavior. The primary objective of studying organizational behavior is to gain a comprehensive understanding of how individual and group behave within a workplace setting. By analyzing this behavior, managers and leaders can effectively predict and control attention to foster a more productive and harmonious work environment. This knowledge enables managers to implement strategies that enhance employees' engagement, improve job satisfaction, and reduce turnover rates. Moreover, understanding organizational behavior allows leaders to identify factors that motivate employees, recognize the importance of communication in teamwork, and create an environment that promotes innovation and collaboration. With this strategy in place, organization can achieve higher level of efficiency and maintain a competitive advantage in the market. Additionally, the study of organizational behavior helps in developing leader skill and managing diversity, which are crucial for fostering a positive organizational culture and achieving long-term success. Next, variable influence influencing organizational behavior. The variable influencing organizational behavior can be broadly categorized into two types, one dependent variable and independent variable. Dependent variable represent the outcomes that managers aim to influence for or predict. This includes key performance indicators such as productivity, job satisfaction, absenteeism, and employees turnover. By monitoring this metric, organization can assess the effectiveness of their strategy and make data-driven decisions to enhance performance. On the other hand, independent variables are the factors that impact these outcomes. These include demographic characteristics like age, gender, and work experience, as well as organizational elements such as leadership style, organizational culture, and work environment. This interaction between dependent and independent variables is crucial for understanding how different factors influence employees' behavior and performance. For example, a positive organizational culture and supportive leadership can lead to higher job satisfaction and lower turnover rates. By analyzing this relationship, managers can implement targeted intervention to improve overall organizational effectiveness and employees' well-being. Next, the importance of studying organizational behavior. In the rapidly evolving and globalized business environment, the study of organizational behavior has become increasingly vital for achieving organizational success. By understanding the underlying factors that drive employee behavior, managers can create an inclusive and supportive work environment that foster collaboration, innovation, and productivity. One of the key benefits of studying organizational behavior is the ability to effectively manage and resolve conflicts within teams. By recognizing the diverse perspective and motivation of employees, managers can implement strategies that promote open communication and teamwork. Additionally, understanding organizational behavior allows leaders to identify the factors that contribute to employee satisfaction and motivation, which are essential for reducing turnover and enhancing performance. Furthermore, organizational behavior studies play a critical role in developing effective leadership style in inspire and empower employees. Leaders who understand the dynamic of organizational behavior can build strong, successful team, encourage creativity, and drive high performance. Okay, this is all for the material I have presented. I apologize for any unclear explanation. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. I hope this material is beneficial for all